Welcome to this video where I install this beautiful tub. I'm currently sitting in it. I'm not joking when I say I will never install a bathtub again. It was literally one of the most stressful, hardest things that I have done in the DIY world, my DIY life. But nonetheless, you should watch it and check out the process of it and all the issues that I had doing this and all the mistakes so that you can learn from it and try to enjoy it and not stress out like I did. So let's install this tub. The first step in installing this tub is dry fitting the plumbing and dry fitting the tub, I guess, together so that your tub and your plumbing line up exactly with the drain hole. That is no easy task. Now we pray that this works and fits the tub. Oh no. This has been such a day. I forgot to take out the paper towel that was clogging up the drain for the sewer smell before I put in the freaking plumbing. So I would have been wondering why there was a clog. And then I would have had to hire a plumber. And then I would have found out that I was done. So thankfully I actually didn't glue this side because it was stuck. And then I got it out, so now I can glue it properly. And remove the... I gotta take a little break because today's been an adventure. It's like 3 o'clock. Ran Home Depot twice, which is like 30 minutes away. And I've been messing with the plumbing since this morning. And I just put the plumbing in. So getting it to fit exactly with the tub is like nearly impossible. Shout out to all the plumbers out there who do this. Yeah, it would have been way easier just to pay someone. Hopefully there's no leaks, because if there's leaks then I'm just gonna quit. Yeah, I think I'll quit. But yeah, today's been frustrating and exhausting. So if you're trying to look into DIY stuff, this is not the easiest project. Plumbing, it's really a pain in the butt to learn and to get right, and yeah, I'm just not good. So that's frustrating. DIY can be super frustrating, so just know that. Let's go continue. That's good. Alrighty, I had to check the plumbing again because it was being a pain yesterday and super stressed out about it. And then I did it today. It was leaking, did it again, and I don't think it's leaking now. I checked it twice. I'm about to check it again. And then I'm finishing the shim for the walls before I put up the cement board and do the plumbing over here. It's been a couple 24 hours of hecticness. Goodness. And just like that, the bathtub, it fills, it stays filled, it's not leaking. Cross my fingers, and the tub is in. Now we get to the next steps where I'm installing the cement board, and then the tile, and then the rest of the bathroom. So if you like this video, give it a like. Let me know if you've ever installed a bathtub and how it went for you. I suggest calling a plumber. And make sure you subscribe to get more of this bathroom series. Alrighty, thank y'all for watching, and I will see y'all out there. See ya.